Hello, good morning and good afternoon, my fellow crafters. We are talking about ducks this week in story time. So I have a super cute quack little craft for you guys to make. You can have your own little weebly wobbly duck. So what you're gonna get for craft supplies when you come in to do express checkout or curbside, you will get, just looks like an average paper plate. We're gonna turn it into a duck. So that's the body. As you can see, I've just folded it in half and then colored the front yellow. Your duck does not have to be yellow. Your duck can be whatever color you would like it to be. You will also get this little sheet of paper. This is for the duck's head. You color that in, and that's the beak for this duck. And you will just color those in, cut them out, and then glue it right on the back like that. So its head is poking up. And then you will get a little googly eye to glue onto its face. And then, of course, their cute little duck feet, which again can be whatever color you would like them to be. We do see all kinds of cool ducks next door at Lake Lily, so you could make it look like one of those or come up with your very own creation for what you would like a duck to look like. And then it can hang out with you anytime you want. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and we will see you soon. Bye.